Let's face it, global life science supply chains are lengthy and complex. Making things worse are obstacles like labor and supply shortages, rising material costs, raw material constraints, geopolitical events, and unpredictable weather, which have all played a part in disrupting supply chains over the last few years. We believe the key to effective change is a data-driven supply chain that's transparent and sustainable. Google Cloud helps transform your life science supply chains with AI-driven solutions that enhance the value of your data and unlock insights that enable you to improve forecasting accuracy and optimize logistics, manufacture a wider and more complex set of medicines and distribute them with speed, increase efficiency while minimizing cost, quickly adjust to environmental factors to keep goods moving, and improve clinical and operational performance. Are you prepared for the unpredictable? Google Cloud can help you leverage the power of AI and analytics so you can transform your supply chain.